So always online shopping and offers are not good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about some makeup products that I regret buying. Sometimes we do these mistakes when we buy everything online after seeing some random reviews on those websites or apps. Without any trial, we just buy them. So these are those products. So I have 7 or 8 products in this. So let's discuss about them. So now first product is COLORBAR Aquafeel Pro Foundation and the color is Hazel Latte 03. So this is the packaging and I bought it in something around 595 rupees. So first point is it doesn't match my skin tone. See, I have more COLORBAR foundations in 03, so I thought this will match to my skin, but not at all. This is the color. You can see it's little reddish for my skin tone. It is a good foundation. It blends well with the brush, with beauty blender or with fingers. Second point is it's not for my skin type. My skin is combination and dry, so I believe this will go for only oily skin. I tried using this, but my skin feels very dry. Coverage is good if this color matches to your skin tone, and if you have oily skin you can try this, but I don't have, so it's really waste of money for me. And in this it is mentioned full coverage foundation, but when I tried to apply it was like semi coverage. So I think if somebody is looking for very natural finish and in this shade, they can go for it, but it has to be oily skin because this is not at all for dry or normal skin or combination skin. Now the second product is this one. This is by glamm Total Makeover FF Cream. It's 5-in-1 primer, concealer, foundation, compact and with SPF, so many things. See, in this it's mentioned rupees 999, but I got it in very good offer and I thought it will go for medium skin tone. So this is the packaging. It looks very beautiful, very elegant. I bought the shade Cocoa. So see, this is for medium skin tone. It was mentioned there. And this is the concealer part. You can see it's too bright for my skin. And this is the foundation part. This is too dark for my skin. So I tried mixing both of them, but I didn't get the perfect shade. And the thing is, in this I can use only this color corrector part. So this matches to my skin tone and the product is really good, only this part. But if you go for this concealer, this is too drying and it's not at all blendable for any type of skin, I think. So this is like yellow kind of, and this yellow color will never suit on me. And if I swatch this foundation, you can see it's dark kind of. So if I mix it together, then also my color is not coming. But this concealer, you can't even blend it well. I tried it with the brush, with concealer brush, with fluffy brushes, and then with finger, with the beauty blender. It's impossible for me. So I'm not at all happy with this product. In this palette, I can use only this orange corrector. It's little kind of peachy. You can see this color. So, and this is very blendable. It's very soft in texture and it works well. So I use only this part. So I think I bought it in offer, but then again it's not worth the money. So now third product is this Maybelline Fit Me Vitamin C Fresh Tint. It has SPF 50, it's good, and I bought the shade number 8. When I was buying online, I got so much confused and I bought 8. This matches to my skin tone after a while and price is 399 rupees. So the fault is whenever I squeeze this out, first oil comes out, some oil type of things, and then this foundation comes out. Initially it was really good when I bought it, but now it's a very patchy kind of. See, I have to mix it well and then I can use it on my face. When I apply on face, it looks totally white kind of, but after half an hour it oxidizes to 2 shades darker. So whenever if you are going for this tint, so always choose the color correctly. Nowadays I don't know why it's become very patchy kind of. So first thing I thought it is expired, but when I had seen the date, it's not at all. And one more thing, this tint doesn't stay for longer time on your face. After an hour it comes out. Even it comes out with the tissue paper. Even I tried with the setting spray, but it doesn't work for me. Fourth product is this cute bottle. This is by Aqualogica Radiance Plus Juicy Dewy Drops Watermelon. This has good skincare ingredients that I can see. It has niacinamide. MRP is $6.99, but I got it in some good offers. Maybe I don't remember. First of all, see this packaging. It's really messy around. When I bought it, I thought I'll be using it like a serum before my makeup. But now I can see it's like totally highlighting thing and it looks like stove cream. Then I thought I'll be using like a stove cream. So the thing is, whenever I apply it, my skin becomes too dry. I can't even like talk. In this, you get lot of glittery chunks, glittery particles that I really hate. And whenever I apply it on my face, one more thing happens. It's like my face becomes purple color. Like surprisingly, it becomes purple. So I didn't like this product. Next product is this COLORBAR Perfect Selfie Highlighter. This one I bought it from the store and it was something around $8.99 or $9.99 maybe. This has very creamy texture and very pigmented, but I don't like it because first thing, it has too much glittery chunks, and whenever I try to apply it over my makeup becomes patchy and it doesn't blend well over makeup. Without makeup, it blends very well, you can see. Without makeup, I never wear highlighter. So I think it's no use for me. So this one is best without foundation. If somebody likes glittery chunks and without foundation, if they like to apply highlighter, they can go for it. But I really don't like without foundation or without makeup highlighter. So it's not for me. Next product is this Swiss Beauty Satin Finish Foundation. This comes in 369 rupees. So I got the shade number 7 Cocoa. So first point is it's too bright on my skin. It doesn't match to my skin tone, and it is mentioned it has full coverage, but it doesn't cover full. And I have given a video on this, so you can go and check my description box for the link. And it's not for sensitive skin, and after using this, my face became totally red and it was too itchy for me. It wasn't tolerable at all. So this is really a waste of money for me. So I thought I'll try an affordable one. But I have tried many Swiss Beauty products. I was never disappointed. But this time for this foundation, I was really not satisfied. My skin is not that much sensitive, but still it was not suitable for my skin. So I think you have to do patch test before using this one. If you already have and you never used it, so do the patch test first and then use it. So this is really a waste of money for me. Next is this cute palette. This is by glamm popxo makeup collection and the kit is Hot Damn. This one comes in 459 rupees and you will get good offers in glamm website. The thing is, these colors are all okay, but I don't like this setting powder. It doesn't match to my skin tone. It's too white for me, and I bought the shade for a medium skin tone and this was the suggestion. First, I thought that this is a setting powder. Maybe it will look little white initially, but after some time it will set. But this doesn't suit my skin tone. In this palette, I love this two eyeshadows and the highlighter. So setting powder is too white for me, so I don't want to use it. This is okay. It's like medium coverage. It doesn't give too much pigmentation. That is also fine. But whenever I try to apply it with the brush, this falls out too much, and with the blush, the highlighter comes out, that powder comes out because of this thin packaging. So it has to be little bigger, I think. See, this much I have taken my brush. Still, if you blend it, it takes long time to get the color. It's not that much pigmented. But this highlighter is, if you have oily skin, combination skin, you can. But if you have dry or normal skin, please don't try this, because this has too much powder and I don't know why it makes my skin little dry. But the color is good. If you want this color, you can try. These two eyeshadows are really good. These have good pigmentation and the color is also nice, you can see. So I think for this much face palette, I can use only this two. So it's not at all worth the money. And for this palette, staying power is also very less. Like after 2-3 hours, your makeup will fade out. So I'm very sorry for this. So always, online shopping and offers are not good. Next and the last product is this e.l.f. foundation. See, this is e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation and the shade is 420 Tan Bronze. This comes in 790 rupees. See, I love this foundation too much because it blends well, it gives seamless finish, it blends with like beauty blender, fingers, with brush, anything. However you want, you can use this. It's my mistake, I bought a wrong shade. I'll just swatch this. If it matches to your skin tone, you can definitely buy this. This is a very nice foundation and stays for a long time. It's like whole day it stays, doesn't dry your skin. It's just awesome. But the only thing, I bought a wrong shade. So if it matches to your skin tone, go blindly. I cannot use this on my face because of this dark shade. It's too dark for my skin. So I use it as a contour because I love this foundation too much. So it's a waste of money, but it's like 50-50. So now I can use it as a contour, not as a foundation. If you are looking for a budget friendly foundation, you can go for this. It's really good drugstore foundation and it gives full coverage. I really love this one. So these are the things for today. I regret buying, but that's okay. Sometimes we do these mistakes because of online shopping, some random reviews on website. So my suggestion is, if you are going for a new product, new brand for you, and if it is a foundation, then definitely go to the store and check your foundation shade. And of course, you just see the oxidation test there itself, then you decided to buy. And next time you can buy it from online. And for other products, we just see the product color on the website itself. So some of them like eyeshadows, kajal, everything we can buy from the website. But for the foundations, I will always suggest to go to the store for the shade check. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like my videos, give a thumbs up. If it is helpful for you, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.